First, we need to make sure that the software is installed on the computer. Then, unzip it. Locate the executable program and click to open it. Step 1. Click on System Settings. Step 2. Select Network Settings. Step 3. Choose AP. Select Yes. Wait for the system to restart. Restarts successfully. Click on System Settings. Select Network Settings. Ensure that the relevant option is checked. Click Apply. And then choose Exit. Now, turn on the computer. Select the machine's Wi-Fi and click to search. Once the search marking appears, click to select and connect using the password 12345678. Next step is to use this laptop to control our device. Click on Text. Select Close. Click on Communication. Choose Connect Device. Change the IP address to 192.168.4.1 and click Connect. You should now see that the connection is successful. Select Close. Next, please input the content you want to tag. Click on red light. You can see that the computer and the machine are now synchronized. The next step is to control the machine via the computer.